What is pseudocode?
The previous user message is a way to write down an algorithm's steps using plain language before coding. It isn't a programming language, but an informal outline that closely follows programming logic. This helps developers and learners map out solutions without worrying about syntax errors or specific code rules. Pseudocode bridges the gap between understanding a problem and writing effective code.
How pseudocode clarifies ideas.
When you write pseudocode, you focus on the logic of your solution, not on the details of code. This makes it easier to spot missing steps or logical errors early. It encourages thoughtful planning, clearer thinking, and helps break down complex problems into manageable pieces before the coding process begins. This clarity saves time and reduces mistakes.
Pseudocode as a communication tool.
Pseudocode is valuable for sharing ideas with teammates or anyone reviewing your logic. Since it uses plain language, it removes technical barriers and makes it easier for everyone to follow your thought process. This helps teams agree on a solution before diving into code and ensures everyone is on the same page.
Planning algorithms with pseudocode.
By outlining an algorithm with pseudocode, you can test the flow of your solution step by step. You can revise and refine logic without rewriting actual code. This makes it easier to design robust algorithms that handle all scenarios and translate smoothly into real programming languages later.
From pseudocode to code.
Once you're satisfied with your pseudocode, you can convert it into actual code in any programming language. This approach minimizes errors because you've already thought through the steps. It also makes learning new languages less intimidating, as the underlying logic remains the same. Only the syntax changes.